We've started Climate Actions for Schools. This is our first pilot event. We've got 24 different workshops which get kids engaged in climate change, but not just in a negative, scary, daunting way, but also to give them some hope, showcase some positive solutions.
So we're going to see a video on the event.
So brought in Jack Randall, who is a Nat Geo presenter, who really inspired and engaged the kids with his own animals to show the kids and connect them to the extreme weather and how that affects different creatures around the world. I brought Russ Headley in, that runs Nature Talks and Walks, who took the kids out on wildlife walks in the school grounds. Lindsay, who is an amazing activist, a campaigner and a mermaid, to inspire the kids about water pollution and what they can do to better protect their waterways. James Selleck, author of Rangtang in My Bedroom, to talk all about his work with campaigns and Greenpeace and big corporate organisations. For my own experiences, I talked about carbon storage technology, we looked at blue carbon, we looked at the power of trees, and talked a little bit about eco-journalism and how a lot of these big issues are not necessarily black and white, to get the kids really thinking.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity to bring together under one roof some authors with some activists, with some environmental scientists. Each of them has brought a particular talent, a particular inspiration. I think the children are taking all of that away.
It's like a whole new opinion of how the climate change can be stopped. Like there's a hope in how we can stop this.
I think I've realised even the smallest of things you can imagine can change everything. It's, I keep saying incredible, but really that's the only word I can think to describe it all.
And for me, it's really, really important, not just to put a positive message out there, but to really help them to understand that there are solutions out there for climate change. And, you know, it's not all doom and gloom for their future.
Brilliant, well done. Okay.